Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check the folder details. If you want to check out the folder details like the size and the creation date and all the things, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to right click on the folder. If you want to right click on the folder, simply you have two methods. First method is you have to hold the control key and then simply you have to click on the mouse with it left click, and after that, as you can see, now the options are open. Now if you want to open using another method, you can also do that. Simply you have to press on the double, you have to press with the double finger on your trackpad, so you have to do that. And after that, the folder settings will be open like this, options will be open like this. Now simply what you have to do, simply as you can see, has an option for the get info, so we have to click on the get info. After clicking on this, as you can see here, you are going to see a lot of options are here. All the things are provided here, like the folder modified on 1st April, and the kind of I mean the file kind, which is that folder, and the size is mentioned here in this MBs and the bytes as well, where untitled, desktop, and all the things are provided. The more info in the name, extension, comments, preview. If you want to change it, you can also do that in this. You can also do that if you want to change the thumbnail, or if you want to change the picture here, you can also do that. You have to paste that picture here. So in this way you can check the folder details. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check the folder details, how you can check any kind of file details in Macbook. So see you guys in the next video.